Ndewono. Ndewono. Nwekwara onye nọ na klaasị a tata? Okay, nsị na ka masị ma nwekwara onye na-ekwuzikwa okwu. Everybody biko ofu ihe unu ga-eme achọ m onye na-blọkụ onyonyo ya. If you want to show your face, feel free to do that. It's only for these people in the class here, for people in the class. Favor Kedo. Favor Kedo. If you're in this class, you have to respond to me. You can't be in this class and you're not in this class. Comes to Kedo Kima.
Adumuma.
Okay, ndewo. Michelle, kwa n'ogechi.
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Ụtụtụ ọma, ị pụtala tata? Ị pụtala tata? Ogechi, pụtala tata?
Apụtala m.
Ndewo, Chinenye kedụkwanụ?
Adumma.
Okay, olee etu ụmụnne gị mere? Chinenye, kedu ka ụmụnne gị mere? Chinenye ọ nọ na klaasị a? Chinenye, kedu ka ụmụnne gị mere? Everybody listen up. This is not a beginner class. If you are going to be in this class, you need to be up and doing. You need to be able to respond. This is not a kindergarten class. Therefore, you need to behave as somebody who is in this class. This is intermediate class. If you can open your mouth to answer a simple question, you're not supposed to be in this class. And I'm going to start taking people back to beginner class. So you need to pay attention to that. Ebuka Kekwan, Ebuka Anukuta.
Adumma.
Eputakwala no tata.
Koyo Zobiko.
Eputala tata.
Eputala.
Eputala is also like sometimes instead of saying Totoma, they tell you Eputala. You see that they say Eputala tata, and they money here with tata, right?
Today.
Okay. Eputala tata. Have you woken up today? Is something as Ototoma. And
okay.
Also, there's something I would also like you to learn. Onogamotaya. Iji maat. I want to see you kedo. Get some more than and then you turn around and say, kedo kwanu. And you also, and you too. Kedo kwanu ka imere. In my strictly adult class that we have every Sunday. So that was what we did like 2 weeks ago. So a way to ask question back. After you say, oh, Adamumma, you turn around and ask the person, are you too? You need to stay away from your siblings, please. You can go to your room. If your computer is not movable, then please tell your mom or dad, you need this time for your class. Because there are others in this class. Papa go neighbor and mama go neighbor. I need to talk to them.
You heard what she said.
When your computer, your device is movable, go to your room. Okay, we need a quiet time. This is intermediate class. I told you we are not playing this year. Okay? Now this is March today. So we have 3 more months for you to be where I would like you to be. Okay? So we need to be serious. So who is coming in? Kedoya na bata with the iPhone. Kedoya de here, you don't talk, I take you out. Who is with iPhone? I need your name. Kedoya ji iPhone abata. If you came in with iPhone, who are you?
I was
Onye kebu kwoye ni Igbo.
Ikenna Ohio.
Okay, tinye afa gị ebe ahụ.
Wait, can I say something real quick?
Kwoye ni Igbo. Tinye afa gị ebe ahụ. Achọghị m ịhụ iPhone 13. Achọrọ m ịhụ afa gị. Kedu ihe ị chọrọ ikwu n'Igbo? Okay, so moving on because we have a lot. Enwere nnukwu ihe anyị ga-eme tata. So, I want you all to learn to put that kwano, but I will revisit it again. First of all, tupu anyị ebido, tupu anyị agawa n'ihu, onwe onye nwere ajụjụ ọ chọrọ ịjụ n'ihe ndị anyị mere eme. O nwere onye nwere ajụjụ ọ chọrọ ịjụ n'ihe ndị anyị mere eme. Oluchi kedu? Oluchi Obiesie.
Ọ dị mma.
Is it all the mma?
Ọ dị mma.
Okay. Ị pụtala tata? Ị pụtala tata?
Amaghị m ya.
Pụtala tata is also like good morning, or have you woken up? So I want you all to know, if you hear people, when they say that, it is the sentence as good morning. Okay. All right. So, let me see how many people are here. Madala Neba. Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ, ọ bụrụ na okay, Ogechi na-eweli aka elu, Ogechi.
What?
How do you say my question is?
Okay, I'm gonna imagine you.
How do you say my question is?
Ajujum boo.
There you go.
What dialect is that? That one that you said?
Like Owere people, they normally say Epo ala, Epo ala. Then Mpise and then some Anambra, some of this they're like borrowed language. So some people, some Anambra, you hear, oh, nwame potalata. Where we say Efo ala. It's Mpise, so they have their dialect. So when you hear that, don't be confused. Well, some people will say Itetala. Itetala means have you woken up? They all mean the same thing.
Itetago. I've heard that.
Itetago, there you go. So you hear all kinds of, but don't be confused. That's exactly like Kedo or Totooma. And so that's it. Some people may see some like grandma, grandpas, they will say, oh, mwam Kedo ki potala tata. They may even say it in the afternoon or in the night. So just a way of saying, greeting you or saying something. Yeah, but don't be confused. Like Ebukas people will say, like it's again to tell you, to ask you, what did you say? It's again. Them say Isheregene or Esregene. They won't say Esregene, they will say Isheregene. It's just their dialect. Yeah. Email onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ. Ọ wụna ị nwere ajụjụ jụọ tupu anyị ebido ihe anyị na-aga ime. Okay, ndewo. I got my share screen right now. Okay, tata. O nwere ihe ndị anyị kwesịrị ime. Ọtụtụ n'ime unu kwesịrị ịma ya. So we are doing days, week, month, year. Okay, so unu mana ụbọchị wụ gịnị? Day. If I say, kedu ka ụbọchị gị dị? See that. For example, here I said, I will come today. Aga m abịa ụbọchị taa. You see how ụbọchị, the day came in there. But today, ta is today. Ta. Some people say ta. Some people say ta. So when you see ta and ta, they mean the sentence ta. So, ị ga-abịa ụbọchị taa, ị ga-abịa n'ụbọchị taa, ntị Ogechi, ị ga-abịa n'ụlọ m n'ụbọchị taa. Ogechi ga-asị, amaghị m ma aga m enwe ike ịbịa ụbọchị taa. Amaghị m ma enwere m ike, aga m enwe ike. Aga m enwe ike means if I will be able to. When you hear ike, it doesn't mean strength or power. It's just if I will be able to. Okay. Now, ụbọchị means day. The day, which is a day, not today. Today is different from day. Today means ta, mopotat. Day means ụbọchị. Okay, when I say kedu, Emeka kedu ka ụbọchị gị si agata? Emeka sị ụbọchị m, ọ na-aga ofuma. Ọ naghị agacha. Ọ naghị agacha ofuma. Ụbọchị m anaghị agacha ofuma. So it means my day is not going that well. It's just when you are not really happy the day you are spending your day or the day things are going for you. Okay. Now, week is izu. Week means izu. Abịara m n'izu gara aga. I came last week. Kaima bịara n'ụlọ m n'izu gara aga. Kaima came to my house last week. Aga m aga n'ụlọ Ebuka n'izu abụọ. Na izu abụọ na-abịanụ. If it's something in the future, when you're putting it, you have to say abiano. That NU should be there. Not that you can say izu abụọ na-abịa, but to know that you really know what you're saying in an advanced way. Izu abụọ na-abịanụ. Izu atọ na-abịanụ, because it's the future. You need to put that piano, that NU there. You can't just stop abia. You can say on abia n'izu abụọ. But when you say aga m abia n'izu abụọ na-abịanụ, you have to put it. When I say aga m abia n'izu abụọ na-abịanụ, ọ ga-abịa n'izu abụọ na-abịanụ. See that you have to put it that way. It means week. He will come in 5 weeks. Ọ ga-abịa na izu. I'm trying to get this out of the way. Ọ ga-abịa na izu ise na-abịanụ. You see how I put it? Izu ise na-abịanụ. Oh, what's going on? Izu ise na-abịanụ. I need to get this one out of the way. I think I need to put just me. I want you to see the screen very well. Okay, good. So, ụbọchị means day. Izu means week. Okay? Aga m abịa n'otu izu. Izu ọzọ. You don't have to say n'otu izu if it's in a week. Remember what we say, the rule when it comes to numbers. Okay? Ordinals. So, if it's singular, the number comes first. If it's plural, the number comes last. So don't forget that. You need to carry forward. Okay, izu. Okay, I'm trying to get this. I don't know why this thing is happening. Okay. Now, ọnwa is a month. Ọnwa is also moon. The same sounds, same spelling, but different meaning. Okay, so this is a month now. But the only way for you to know, since the sounds, they are the same, is through the contents. If I say, agara m n'ụlọ Favor. No, ọnwa gara aga. I went to Favor's house last month. Nkechi and I will go to the moon. They say that. Mụ na Nkechi ga-aga n'ọnwa. You see, that's the only way you can tell. Because they're all the same sounds, though they mean two different things. Okay, so, but we're talking about the month here. Ọnwa. She said she will be here next month. Ọ sịrị na. Ọ ga-abịa. You see that? She said. Don't forget your pronouns. Ọ sịrị na ọ ga-abịa n'ọnwa ọzọ. Next month, ọnwa ọzọ. Ọ sịrị na ọ ga-abịa n'ọnwa ọzọ. Yeah. Achọrọ m onye ga-agwa m etu esi asị. They will not come in 3 months. They will not come in 3 months. Or let's say they are not coming in 3 months. They are not coming in 3 months. Achọrọ m onye ga-ewepụta onwe ya. Iwepụta onwe gị means to volunteer. They are not coming in 3 months. Who will tell me how to say this? They are not coming. I hope you can see the screen. I don't know, whenever I try to see the screen very well. They are not coming in 3 months. Okay, Emeka. Emeka, hi.
they're not coming in 3 months, boo. Ha ga ha na abiage. And
They are not coming in 3 months.
that they're not coming in 3 months, boo. Ha na abiage. Not on wa ato
Yeah, it's
nabiano.
Emeka. Okay, Emeka say ha anaghị abịa n'ọnwa atọ na-abịanụ. Emeka, not quite. You nwetachaghị ya means you're close, but you didn't get it. When I say something in Igbo and I explain it, I'm expecting you to start picking those words. These are the ones you can jot down yourself. Okay? Inwetachaghị ya, when somebody answers something, the person not quite, you are really close, but not well, very well. So pick those words. Inwetachaghị ya, inwetachaghị ya, in the negative. Okay. Oluchi ahụrụ m aka gị n'elu.
Ha anaghị abịa n'ime ọnwa atọ.
Finish it. Well, Oluchi say, ha anaghị abịa
Oh, so
na
that's what I was
ime
doing
ọnwa
wrong.
atọ. Yeah, this is another way to say it. Anaghị abịa n'ime ọnwa atọ na-abịanụ, which is correct. Okay? So it is correct. Ha anaghị abịa n'ime ọnwa atọ na-abịanụ. You can also say, ha anaghị abịa n'ọnwa. This is, they are not coming. But if ha anaghị abịa n'ọnwa atọ na-abịanụ. Okay? Now, if I say, this is correct because I know some of you will be confused when you put it, because I said they are not coming in 3 months. But if ha anaghị abịa n'ime ọnwa atọ na-abịanụ, correct. But if I say now, they will not come, what will it be? Oluchi, what will it be? Or when I'm saying they will versus they are not.
Ha agaghị.
Good. Hagagi. So this is the difference. Hagagi when it's will. But hanagi, they are not coming. Hanaga abia. N'ọnwa atọ na-abịanụ or ha anaghị abịa n'ime ọnwa atọ na-abịanụ. They both correct. Daalụ. Ha anaghị abịa na ọnwa atọ. You can put for ọnwa atọ na-abịanụ. Okay. Moving on. Now, year is afọ. You come across, you come across some of the people writing afọ and they put R. That is wrong. There should be no R. Aho, arrow. So afọ is the central. Then it is the first spelling as afọ, afọ, afọ. Not the same sound, not the same meaning. Okay? Afọ, afọ, afọ. Afọ. Afọ means the year. Afọ is your stomach. Okay, some people say aho. Some people say aro. So, but we are using the one that is central, depending on your dialect. Speak what your dialect speaks. Okay, what your dialect is. Okay, now, my uncle is coming in 2 years. Nwanne papa m nke nwoke. Because yes, we know. When you say one papam, remember one papa can be your aunt, your uncle. So, but you say your uncle. Okay? The only way you cannot put the gender if you say, if you're going to say, remember one is just a sibling. See, so, but when you say one papam na bia, in this case, one papa is your uncle or your aunt. So that's why I put the gender there. Nwanne papam nke nwoke. Not that if you meet nwoke, that is not correct. It is still correct. Because in English, we know uncle means a man. Okay? But in Igbo, We don't know. Which one? You can say one name papa na but one name papa which one? Unless if your dad enweghị nwanne nwoke or nwanne nwanyị has only a sister or brother. So in Igbo, you need to put the gender. Because in English, the uncle there represented the gender, but in Igbo, we have no way of saying it. You have to put the gender there. Nwanne papa m nke nwoke ga-abịa n'afọ abụọ na-abịanụ. So pay attention to this biano, because I know some of you will miss it. I'm going to give you homework. Now, today, Tata, we already did that. Ezinne, are you coming today? Ezinne ega, enabia. You see how I put it? Egabia. No, if you say, because I know why I put this, Ezinne egabia. Ezinne, are you coming? The only way you can say egabia, will you come? So it will be enabia today. Okay, I know we hear some people say ega. Will you come? We speak it a lot, but that is wrong. Ezinne enabia tata. Are you coming today or are you not coming? Now, sometimes we ask the question, Ezinne enabia tata kobona egagabia ka obona. When you put the other one, are you coming today or are you not coming? Ega enabia tata kobona enagabia. Are you coming today or are you not coming? So, enabia tata pa obo na enagabia pa obo. See that? All right. Now, yesterday. We have yesterday. Yesterday is onyaho. Onyaho. And then there's another thing called yesterday. Okay, chikedet ndi bunushia eku yesterday. Okay.
Amaro.
Maya, ikwugwela ya oge mbụ gara aga. Gịnị wụ yesterday?
Yeah.
Ụnyaahụ. Some people say echi gara aga. See that? Some people will say echi gara aga. I think when the people are the ones that say it like that. Echi gara aga. But the central one is unyaho. Not that echi gara aga is not the sentence. It is. They say echi gara aga, but echi na abiano. See that? So they put it that way. My friend was at my house yesterday. Enyim nona olom unyaho. Now, no double A, unyaho. You can't leave double letters in the middle of a word. You can't have it in the beginning with the exception of names. You can have it with the names, but in the middle of the word, no. You can have it at the end when it comes to Igbo. Okay, both words. My friend came to my house yesterday. Enyim biara na olom unyaho. Enyim biara na olom unyaho. All right, my friend will come. So this is continuous tense, past tense, okay? Future. My friend will come. Enyim ga. Enyim ga abia. Simple. Enyim ga. My friend is coming. Enyim na abia. Enyim na abia. Okay. Now, day before yesterday, nwanne ụnyaahụ. Nwanne ụnyaahụ. Day before yesterday. Nwanne ụnyaahụ. Now, I want somebody to make a sentence with nwanne ụnyaahụ. Nwanne ụnyaahụ, day before yesterday. Make a sentence. You can put it in English and then translate to Igbo. Or you can just go straight to doing it in Igbo. Nwanne ụnyaahụ. Kedu onye ga-agbalị nụ? Okay. I cooked day before yesterday. Who will translate it? Since nobody wants to say something, I need somebody to translate. I see Oluchi.
I have my own sentence.
Okay, let's hear it.
Okay. Nwanne ụnyaahụ agara m akwụkwọ ụlọ.
Nwanne ụnyaahụ agara m akwụkwọ. Meaning what?
Day before yesterday, I went to school.
Yeah. Nwanne ụnyaahụ agara m akwụkwọ. Kedu onye ọzọ ga-agwa anyị? Kedu onye ga-eme I cooked day before yesterday?
Cooked. Oh boy. Cooked. Siri nri.
Who siri nri? Who cooked?
Siri
You're missing something. You're missing something.
I cooked day before yesterday.
So where is the preface there? So you're missing something in Igbo. You're missing it in Igbo.
Siri nsi.
What are the two letters that you use when you are addressing yourself or expressing yourself? What are those two letters?
Isn't it? Oh, mu?
No, the two letters when it comes to expressing yourself or talking, trying to say something about yourself.
I need help. I know
I need help. See, I'm glad that you said that. These are the words we use, and we're supposed to know what they are. You know why I need help. I need help.
The help part is the one I'm missing.
Enyemaka.
Enyemaka. Enyemaka.
And you can also say nyeremaka.
Okay, yeah, I know that one. Okay. Nyeremaka.
Nyeremaka. Okay. Daalụ. Kedu onye ga-enye aka? Ọ dị ka Kamsi ọ na-eweli aka elu. Kamsi ngwa.
Eshiri m nri nwanne ụnyaahụ.
Eshiri m. You see how Kamsi said that? Eshiri m versus esiri m. So it is correct because that's their dialect. Kamsi said, so Oluchi, the letter that I'm looking for is this E. Okay. That's the preface.
Okay.
The E and A, you need them when you're trying to express yourself or say something about yourself. So Kamsi say esirim instead esirim, but Kamsi say eshirim, which is still good. Eshirim nri. Gịnị ka ọ bụ Kamsi? Gịnị nwanne ụnyaahụ, right? Nwanne ụnyaahụ.
So eshirim
nri nwanne ụnyaahụ. And you said before I went to school, day before yesterday, right?
Yes.
So I went to school day before yesterday. Agaram akwụkwọ nwanne ụnyaahụ.
Is it akwụkwọ ụlọ or is just akwụkwọ?
Agaram akwụkwọ. When you say I went to school, but if you say I went to the school,
okay.
There are two different things. I went to school. Agaram akwụkwọ. I went to the school. You went to the school building. Agaram n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. See the difference, Oluchi? Agaram na ụlọ akwụkwọ. I went to the school. Agaram akwụkwọ. I went to school. There are two different things. Now, tomorrow, echi. Tomorrow is echi. Kedu onye ga-eji echi nye anyị okwu? Who will make a sentence with echi? You don't give me a word, I give you a word. It's gonna make a sentence. They danced today. What did I say? Tomorrow. They will dance. They are not going to dance. They are not going to dance tomorrow. What a minute. Amara and Uche are not going to dance tomorrow. Somebody. Kedu onye ga-enyere anyị aka? Kedu onye ga-enyere anyị aka means who will help us? Who will help us? Onwezi onye nọ n'ụlọ akwụkwọ ebe a. Okay, Ebuka Manokwute. Ebuka daalụ.
Amara and Uche are not going to dance tomorrow, boo. Amara na Uche hagagi igba
Don't put her. Don't
Okay.
put her because their name already are there.
Okay. Amara na Uche agagi igba egwu echi.
Get it again. Again. Kugaria means say it again.
Amara na Uche agagi. Amara na Uche gagi igba egwu.
Leave agage. You got it with agage.
Amara na Uche agagi igba egwu.
You're
echi.
missing something.
Oh, agagi aga.
There you go. Agage Megan.
Agagi aga.
No. You're missing something now. That dance. Something is missing. There's a prefix missing there. Agage agba. Now, to dance is eba, egu. To dance, eba, egu. Now, when you're conjugating that verb, you're supposed to put that prefix. You cannot miss it, Ebuka. So remember, okay, Ebuka, tell me, I will not dance. Because it's the same rule applies. So when it comes to others, that doesn't mean you should omit it. Now, how will you say, I will dance?
Agam agba egwu.
Then why did you put Abba there, but you won't put it when it comes to see that? That's what you're missing. You didn't omit it when you say that. Okay, tell me, Emeka will dance.
Emeka ga agba egwu.
That's the thing. It is the sentence. Amara nuche agage aba. Just because it's in the negative doesn't mean shouldn't be. So you got it when you made that sentence. But when you're trying to say Amara and Uche, Agage, Begu. So why did you omit the A?
Auntie, I don't know why, like you know how it's like the infinitive would be like ega, right?
Yes.
And then we say like agagim aga or something. I don't know why I'm confusing ega and aga sometimes. So like I said
Okay, so,
agagi igba
so
egwu.
what you need to do for me, I need you to make a lot of sentences since you're struggling in that area. Make them conjugate them, send it to me. Let me see why you're struggling there. See, can you do that for me, Ebuka? Because we need to get it right.
Yeah.
You're doing very well, but I think I'm trying to see where the confusion is coming. Make some sentences in English, the area that you're struggling, okay? Then send it to me.
I will.
Yeah, do handwritten. Don't type it. Send it to me. Take a picture of it. Send it to me privately. Then I'll go over and see what's going on. And you and I will make our time to talk about it. Or maybe I'll go over in class so that some people struggling will also get correction there.
Okay.
Okay. So Amaranuche agage agba egwu. Amaranuche ga agba egwu. Okay. So next tomorrow, nwanne echi. Nwanne echi is next tomorrow. Nwannechi is next tomorrow. Some people are calling in on time. This is not their time yet. Okay. Nwannechi is next tomorrow. Nkechi, I want you to make a sentence with Nwannechi. Nkechi, make a sentence with Nwannechi.
Boy.
Nwanne echi aga m aga ahịa.
Nwannechi aga m aga ahịa. Okay? What did it say?
I said that next tomorrow I will go to the market.
Okay? Nwannechi. You see, some people may write it together, but it's Nwannechi. Agam. Aga. Ahịa. Now put it in the negative.
Okay, nwanne echi agaghị m aga ahịa.
Good. Now, I want you to switch how you made this sentence. Nwannechi aga m aga ahịa. There is another way you can say it. Can you tell us the other way to put it?
Aga m aga ahịa nwanne echi.
Good. It is still correct. So everything is not just one way road. So Nkechi said Nwannechi aga m aga ahịa. And you can also put it this way. Aga m aga ahịa Nwannechi, because these are two different sentences. Okay, two complete sentences. All right, good. Now, Russian. There are words I put here that's come to my mind. Iriwu is like when you are fined. I say, Agerigi iwu, you will be fined. You will be fined. Agerigi, iriwu is to fine you. Okay? Is to fine you when you're fined. Iriwu, mobo, iri nha. Some people say nha, nha. Ọ ga-aha nha. Nkechi ga-aha nha. Okay? Meaning Nkechi will pay fine. For example, when you come late, and then they'll tell you, oh, you came late, you're going to pay fine. So that's what iriwu, mobi iri nha. Iri nha, mobi iriwu. They mean the sentence. Okay? So now, we're going to do Igbo times of the day. Clock, elekere. That's your elekere. Time, okay? It's still called oge. Gịnị oge ọ gaala? Okay, anyị ogburu oge. I say, okay, ka m si gburu m oge, ka m si wasted my time. Ebuka gburu m oge. Ebuka wasted my time. Jason gburu m oge. So it's just igburu oge. You wasted the time. Okay. Second is tintim. Tintim. Don't forget, all these things, you need to apply them. For example, the minutes is in kg. Hour is otu oge. Okay. Elekere is clock. Gịnị na-akụ n'elekere? I can also say elekere ole na-akụ. Okay. Otu oge. You say otu oge, 1 hour. Okay. 1 hour, an hour. For example, Emma, I say Emeka will come in 7 weeks around 7:45 p.m. Emeka will come in 7 weeks around 7:45 p.m. Emeka ga-abịa, which is Emeka will come. N'izu, remember we say 7 weeks here. N'izu asaa. You see that? If I say what in n'otu izu, otu, remember number otu, 1, izu. But if it's 2, izu abụọ. If it's 4 weeks, izu anọ. So Emeka ga-abịa n'izu asaa. Ma o jiri around, remember, ma o jiri nkeji. Nkeji means what? We set it up here. Okay? Nkeji is minutes. I didn't say seconds, okay? Nkeji minutes. Ma o jiri nkeji iri anọ na asaa gafee elekere asaa. Gafee means pass. When I say Emeka pass me, Emeka gaferem. Ogechi passed me. Ogechi gaferem. You passed me. Okay? It's 45 minutes past. Okay? Ojiri nkejiri. All these things you have to apply. Know your numbers. Know your times. If you know them, you should be able to put them together. Ojiri nkejiri. Ano na ise 45. Gafe, some people will say, were gafe, you can put that. Nothing prevents you from saying that. You can say that. Were, okay, were gafe. What did I just do? Were gafe. Gafe means pass. Elekere asaa nke ihuruchi. Ihuruchi is mgbede. You can say mgbede. Nke mgbede. Okay? Nke mgbede. Some people may say 7:45 p.m. is night. You can say nke anyasị. It's okay. But it's mgbede. You can say nke anyasị maọbụ mgbede. Okay? So, this is how, when I give you homework, after doing this, I'll make sure that you apply all this. So pay attention. Print your note out. You can read it on your phone or your device, or you can print it out. Okay. Now, weather or sensations. We have sunny days. Okay. Anwụ ọwụwa sunny. Okay. It's very sunny. Anwụ wara. See that? Sunny. Anwụ ọwụwa. Now, if you say sunset, anwụ ọwụwa, like sometimes people say anwụ ọwụwa, anwụ ọdịda. In the east, west, anwụ, okay, ọwụwa anyanwụ. So, let me just remove this. I don't want to. Sunset is not east. Okay? Ọwụwa anyanwụ. People put it that way. I don't want you to be confused. We're going to put it separate. Sundown, okay? Or ọdịda. But when you're talking about the east, ọwụwa anyanwụ, like when you're east, west, north, and south, when you're giving directions, you say, okay, head to east or to your west, okay? Ọwụwa anyanwụ, okay? You're going to the east. Ndịda, ọdịda anyanwụ, some people call it ndịda, depending on your dialect. Ọwụwa anyanwụ is your east. Ọdịda anyanwụ is your west. Okay? Ugwu, ndị bi n'ugwu, like in Nigeria, they say ndị ugwu. Once you hear them, if they don't want to say ndị north, okay? Or ndị Hausas, ma ha chọọ ikwu ha sị gị ndị ugwu, meaning people living in the north, okay? Then ndịda, if you live in the south, you live in ndịda, unu bi na ndịda. Ndị bi na ndịda. Ndị bi na ndịda meaning people that live in the north, people live in the south, okay? Ndịda means south. Ugwu means north. Ọwụwa anyanwụ means east. Ọdịda anyanwụ means what? West. Okay, so know all this. Oke anya, okay? Oke anwụ na-eti. Very hot sun, okay? It's very too hot. They say, oh, the sun is so hot. Oke anwụ na-eti. That's the word they will tell you. Oke anwụ na-eti is very hot, okay? Now, snowy, mmiri oyi, gbakọrọ agbakọ. Snowy, it's snow. You don't have to say snowy, but you can say snow. Okay, it's just ice block, okay, or snow. So mmiri gbakọrọ, mmiri oyi means cold, okay, cold water. Gbakọrọ agbakọ. So they're trying to tell you say snow, because we don't have snow. But if it's blocked, they will tell you mmiri oyi gbakọrọ agbakọ. Gbakọrọ agbakọ, something that is together, okay? Wind, or it's windy. Ikuku. Ikuku means wind. Cold means oyi. Oyi, we say, oyi na atom. I'm feeling cold. Oyi na atom. Okay? When you say hot, oku na cham. Oku na cham means you're feeling too hot. So something is burning you. Yeah, oku. Sun is ang. Sun means ang. Okay, rain. Rain is miri ozizo. Miri ozizo. Or you can say it's raining. Miri nezo. Hey, what's going on? Oh, it's raining today. Come and see. Miri na ezo. Miri na ezo means it's raining. Miri anaghị ezo. It's not raining. Okay? Mmiri ozuzo means rain. Mmiri ozuzo means rain. But mmiri na ezo means it's raining. It is not the same thing. When you tell me mmiri ozuzo means rain. But when you say it's raining, mmiri na ezo. Okay? Okay, hurricane. Oke ikuku. Oke ikuku means hurricane. Okay? Tornado. Oke ikuku na. Okay, so now. Oke ikuku na oke mmiri ozizo. It comes together. Hurricane can come with both the wind and the rain. Okay? That's why they call it oke mmiri ozizo. Oke mmiri ozizo na eburu ụlọ. Hurricane that can take your house. Na eburu ụlọ. That's how they explain it in Igbo way. You can, because tornado, oke mmiri, oke ikuku, combined together, na eburu ụlọ. It's just that can take, not only ụlọ, but they use it to explain what tornado is. Okay? Now, these are ways you can say, like breakfast, nri ụtụtụ, lunch, nri ehihie, dinner, nri abalị, or you can say nri anyasị. When I call na, hey, Ralo, ke gịnị ka ị na-eme? Anyị na-eri nri anyasị. Anyị na-eri nri anyasị. Okay, it means that, or anyị na-eri nri abalị. Some dialects, Anambra will say abalị. The central is anyasị. Anyị na-eri nri anyasị. But if your dialect is abalị, you say abalị. Anyị na-eri nri ehihie. Ana m eri nri ụtụtụ. Ha na-eri nri ehihie. Ha ga-abịa iri nri ehihie. They will come to eat lunch. Okay? Milk is mmiri ara ehi. Okay? Some people, ewu, they also drink ewu. I don't know. So I don't know if a lot of people drink ewu, which is goat. Milk from a goat, but normally it's from cow. So they call it milk. They call mmiri ara ehi. Ara ehi. Okay. Anu ọkụkọ is chicken meat. Okay. Anu ewu, goat meat. Then we have cow meat. Anu ehi. Cow meat is anu ehi. Anu ehi. Ehi is cow. Okay. Cow meat. Now, if I say tea in Igbo, there's nothing like tea. So you spell it in Igbo way. And the word that we don't have, the only thing that will tell you, mirioko. Okay? Mirioko. Okay, mirioko means hot water. Mirioko is hot water. So when it comes to tea, you spell it in Igbo. Tea, the long vowels. Fish, azu, cow meat. Okay, we have cow meat here. So we have repetition there. Okay, now if you have mirioko, hot soup, or miri oko is hot water. Now bread is achicha. You know what it is. Lamb meat is anu atoro. Anu atoro. Pig means ezi. Pig is what? Ezi. Anu ezi. Anu ehi. Anu ọkụkọ. You see, so That's how you say all these things to differentiate them. But anu in general is meat. Anu in general means what? Meat. Okay. Hot soup, ofe mmiri ọkụ. Beans, okay. Bean dough is akara. Akara. The one, you know, akara, all of you must have eaten it. Then mashed potatoes. Nduku, okay. Nduku asụrụ asụ. Potato means nduku. Just know that one. Then ka asụrụ asụ means mashed one. Oil means mmanụ, okay, mmanụ nri. Oil, mmanụ, whether it's groundnut oil, canola oil, peanut oil, is a mmanụ. All right, so I will post this class note, but if you have a question, quickly, let me give you 2 minutes because beginner classes, they're going to start calling in. But I'll post it. Okay.
Guinea Boo, Happy New Month.
Happy New Month. Guinea will month. Now,
Onwa.
Guinea will happy. What did I? How do you say happy Christmas? Come on, guys. I said this before. Guinea will happy birthday. Kamsi.
Aṅụrị ọnwa ọhụrụ.
Aṅụrị ọnwa ọhụrụ ịnụla ya Kamsi Ogechi. Yeah, aṅụrị is happy every time. Aṅụrị Christmas, happy Christmas. Aṅụrị ọmụmụ gị. Aṅụrị ọmụmụ gị means happy birthday. Okay? Now, aṅụrị afọ ọhụrụ. Aṅụrị afọ ọhụrụ, happy new year. Aṅụrị afọ ọnwa ọhụrụ. Ọnwa ọhụrụ. Ogechi, nghọtala ya ugbu a. Ogechi ọ nọ ebe a?
Anọ m ya.
Ị gwakwana m ahụ aṅụrị ọnwa ọhụrụ.
Biko.
Ị gwaghị m aṅụrị ọnwa ọhụrụ.
Yeah.
Ogechi, gịnị ka m kwuru?
You asked me if I understood.
No! You didn't tell me. Ị gwaghị m. You didn't tell me happy new month.
In the onwa.
Nsogbu adịghị. Okay, nwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? All right, if you have a question, please tell me. Let me get the beginner class students in, okay? So if you already called in, I'm going to dismiss class, call in again. Inwe ajụjụ, jụọ m ajụjụ. So your note class note will be posted and homework. Ngwa ka emesịa nụ, aga m ahụ unu n'izu ọzọ.
Audio.
Ndewo nụ.